What if I told you that the RSI indicator you've been using is generating 1078 false signals, while a simple modification cuts that to just 1052? That's 38% fewer false signals. But here's the shocking part. When I tested this on the 15-minute chart with a trend filter, the win rate collapsed from 47% to just 34%. Why does the same strategy work on the 1-hour chart but destroy your account on the 15-minute? I spent weeks running quantitative analysis on 6 different RSI variants, testing over 5,000 candles of data, and the results completely changed how I think about mean reversion. Today, I'm showing you the exact data, the exact code, and the exact mistake that's probably costing you money right now. And stick around until the end of this video, because I'm giving away the complete noise-cancelling RSI indicator for free. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, take a screenshot, and email it to me. I'll send you your activation key within 24 hours. If you want to build strategies based on data instead of hope, make sure you're following along. Let's dive in. Let's start with the brutal truth. Look at this chart. Standard RSI with a 14-period setting. It's too slow. By the time it signals oversold, the move has already happened. But here's what most traders don't realize. Making it faster doesn't help. I tested the 9-period RSI on 60 days of EU/RUSD 15-minute data. That's over 5,600 candles. The result? Making it faster actually I increased the noise. Instead of fewer false signals, I got more. In choppy, sideways markets, the standard RSI changed direction 1,708 times. That's 1,708 times you could have been faked out, stopped out, or trapped in a losing trade. So the question is, how do we make the RSI faster without making it noisier? The answer lies in something called the smoothing efficiency ratio. I built a quantitative lab to test 6 different approaches to smoothing the RSI. Number 1, standard RSI 14, the baseline. Number 2, fast RSI 9, the reactive one. Number 3, Goldilocks RSI, 9-period RSI, smoothed with a 3-period simple moving average. Number 4, Arrow RSI, 9-period RSI, smoothed with a 3-period exponential moving average. Number 5, Hull RSI, using the Hull moving average for ultra-low lag smoothing. Number 6, adaptive RSI, using Kaufman's adaptive moving average, which adjusts smoothing based on market efficiency. I measured 2 critical metrics. Metric 1, lag. When price makes a local bottom, how many candles does it take for the RSI to bottom out? Standard RSI takes 2.54 candles. Goldilocks takes 3.39. That's an extra 11 minutes on a 15-minute chart. Metric 2, noise. During choppy, sideways markets, how many times does the indicator change direction? Standard RSI whipsaws, 1,708 times. Goldilocks, just 1,052. That's 656 fewer false signals. But here's where it gets interesting. I calculated what I call the smoothing efficiency ratio, false signals removed divided by minutes of lag added. Goldilocks removes 831 false signals but adds 11 minutes of lag. Efficiency, 73 signals per minute. Arrow RSI removes 728 false signals but adds only 8 minutes of lag. Efficiency, 92.7 signals per minute. Arrow is the most efficient smoother, but Goldilocks has the best balance for mean reversion. Now, here's the discovery that almost made me quit this research. Look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left, the 1-hour chart. On the right, the 15-minute chart. I tested the Goldilocks RSI with a 200 EMA trend filter on both timeframes. On the 1-hour chart, the trend filter boosted the win rate to 51.3%. Perfect, right? Then I tested it on the 15-minute chart. The win rate collapsed from 47.5% to just 34.6%. Let me repeat that. Adding a trend filter that works on the 1-hour chart destroys performance on the 15-minute chart. Because on the 15-minute time frame, the 200 EMA filter reduced the sample size from 448 trades to just 52 trades. You're filtering out so many valid mean reversion setups that you're left with statistically insignificant data. This is the trap that kills retail traders, assuming what works on one time frame works on another. The lesson? On 15-minute charts, use support and resistance levels as your filter, not the 200 EMA. On 1 hour and higher, the trend filter works beautifully. Based on this research, I built the noise-cancelling RSI indicator for MetaTrader 5. Watch this. I'm loading it on the EURUSD 1 hour chart right now. See those green and red arrows appearing directly on the main chart? Those are visual markers. When the smoothed RSI crosses back above 30, you get a green buy arrow. When it crosses below 70, you get a red sell arrow. And when those arrows appear, you get an alert directly in your MT5 terminal. So you don't have to stare at the chart all day. Now let me switch to the 15-minute chart. Same indicator, same settings, but look at the difference in arrow frequency. On the 1 hour chart, you get maybe 3 or 4 arrows per day. Clean, reliable. On the 15-minute chart, you get 10 to 15 arrows. More opportunities, but you need to be more selective. The indicator shows you both the smoothed line in green and red and the raw RSI as a dotted silver line below. You can see exactly how much noise is being filtered out. And here's the best part. I'm giving this indicator away completely free. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, take a screenshot showing you're subscribed, and email it to me. I'll send you your unique activation key within 24 hours. Why am I giving this away? Because I'm building a community of systematic traders who test, verify, and improve. Not gamblers who follow signals blindly. And here's another benefit. When I improve this indicator, you won't need to re-download anything. The updates are pushed directly to your MT5 terminal automatically. If you're finding this research valuable so far, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me create more in-depth analysis like this, and you'll be the first to know when I release new indicators and strategies. Let's look at the actual performance data. On the EURUSD 15-minute chart, using the Goldilocks RSI with a 5-candle holding period, pure mean reversion, buying when RSI is below 30 with no filter, produced a win rate of 47.5% across 448 trades. Adding the 200 EMA trend filter dropped it to 34.6% across just 52 trades. But on the 1 hour chart, the same trend filter boosted the win rate to 51.3%. The takeaway? Mean reversion works best on shorter time frames without trend filters. Trend following works best on longer time frames with trend filters. Trying to combine them on the 15-minute chart is a recipe for disaster. So, can we build a profitable strategy with the NCRSI? Absolutely, but we need to respect what the data tells us. In the next video, I'm revealing the complete Goldilocks mean reversion system. Here's the framework entry: NCRSI below 30, oversold condition, filter price at a key support level, not the 200 EMA on 15-minute charts. We'll use horizontal support and resistance instead. Exit 5-candle holding period, or when NCRSI crosses above 50, whichever comes first. Risk 1% per trade with an ATR-based stop loss. I'm going to backtest this exact system on both the 15-minute and 1 hour timeframes and show you the exact difference in performance. No theory, no guesswork, just raw data. If you want to see the complete system with entry rules, exit rules, and risk management, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. The video drops next week. Alright, let's talk about how to get the NCRSI indicator. It's completely free, no payment, no upsells, nothing. I just need you to do 3 simple things. Number 1, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Just click that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. Number 2, take a screenshot showing that you're subscribed. Number 3, email that screenshot to quantlefortrading12@gmail.com with the subject line NCRSI indicator key. I'll send you your unique activation key within 24 hours. That's it. Why do I ask for this? Because I want to build a community of serious traders who are committed to systematic trading. When you subscribe, you're telling me you value this kind of in-depth research, and that motivates me to create more. Plus, subscribers get first access to all my feature indicators, backtests, and strategies. I'm planning to release a complete trading system based on this research, and subscribers will get it before anyone else. The link to download the indicator is in the description below. Once you download it, just follow the instructions in the email to activate it. Now, before the indicator can validate your license, you need to enable one quick setting in MetaTrader 5. This is crucial. If you skip this, the indicator won't work. Here is exactly what to do. In MetaTrader 5, go to Tools, then Options, or press Ctrl and O. Click on the Expert Advisors tab. Check the box that says Allow Web Request for Listed URL. Click the plus button and add this exact address, https://sowhail15.t.pythonanywhere.com. Click OK. That is it. This allows the indicator to verify your license key when you load it on the chart. Without this setting, the indicator will not activate. I know it sounds technical, but it's just one checkbox and one URL. Takes 10 seconds. And don't worry, this is a secure connection. The indicator only sends your account number and license key to verify your access, nothing else. Here's what we covered today. Standard RSI generates 1,708 false signals. The Goldilocks RSI cuts that to 1,052, a 38% reduction. The Aero RSI has the best smoothing efficiency at 92.7 signals per minute of lag. Adding a trend filter works on 1-hour charts but destroys 15-minute performance, dropping win rate from 47% to 34%. And you can download the NC RSI indicator for free by subscribing and emailing your screenshot to quantlefortrading12@gmail.com. If this video helped you understand indicators on a deeper level, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building something special here. Next week, I'm releasing the complete Goldilocks mean reversion system with full backtests and performance metrics. You won't want to miss it. Trade systematic, verify everything. I'll see you in the next one.